guys, welcome back to KTR videos. Today we're going to be having some fun drawing some Shopkins using this chocolate pen. Okay guys, you asked and we heard. So today we're going to be drawing a whole bunch of different Shopkins. If you didn't check out our first video with the chocolate pen and our drawing of Shopkins, you should definitely check that one out. So as I said in the first video, I should warn you, it's so much easier for me to draw with pencils and color pencils, not with chocolate pens. So bear with me and I will try my best. Here we go with the first one. Okay guys, so I know this Shopkin looks pretty creepy, but can you tell who it is? I'll give you a few seconds to guess. It's Candy Apple, or at least it's supposed to be Candy Apple. It's so much harder to draw with chocolate pens, but hey, at least it came out reasonable. I think the only thing that really messed up is the eye. I think I might have to stick with Shopkins whose eyes are closed because it is tough with that chocolate pen. But anyway, hope you guys like it. So Candy Apple, as you know, is a season 3 Shopkin. Here we go with number 2. I hope you guys can tell which one this is. I know it's not the best, but I think it's pretty obvious, right? I'll give you a few seconds to guess. It's Chalk Kiss. So if that's who you guessed, then you were right. And as you know, she's a season 3 Shopkin. And what's better than to be drawing Chalk Kiss, who's a Hershey Kiss, with the chocolate pen? Okay guys, this one I think is going to be extra tough, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Here we go with number 3. Okay guys, out of all of the Shopkins that I've drawn so far between the first video and this video, I hope that you know who this one is because this was by far the hardest one I've attempted with a chocolate pen. I'll give you a few seconds to guess. It's Ice Cream Dream. I hope you got it right because that was so hard, but I think she came out pretty good considering I had to use a chocolate pen, don't you think? Here we go with the next drawing, guys. this one isn't too bad. It's not great, but it's not that bad either. Do you guys know who it is? If you guessed Bun Bun Slipper, you are right. As you know, she's a season 2 Shopkin. And she's absolutely adorable. Here we go with the next one. Sadly, I think this one came out the worst out of all of the drawings that I did so far, and I thought this was going to be the easiest one. But regardless, do you guys think you know who she is? If you guessed Cindy Cookie, you got it. Well guys, that's it for us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button so we know. And leave us a comment and tell us which Shopkins chocolate drawing was your favorite from today. Mine has to be Ice Cream Dream, and that's simply because that was the hardest one that I did, and I think it came out pretty decent. Well guys, until next time, bye. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our Spanish channel.